Changing system email text. On your dashboard, go to Site, down to Language, and scroll down to System Emails. System emails are emails that go out automatically from the system when an action is triggered, such as registration to a new course. To change these system emails into your language, all you need to do is select from a drop-down. Inside here, the system emails that will go out to your users are course enrollment success on a free plan, course enrollment success on a subscription plan with trial days, course enrollment success on a paid plan, welcome emails, resetting the password emails, user role changes, enroll to course manually by admin, a subscription cancelled, notification to complete recurring payment, notification on course subscription cancellation due to payment failure, notify affiliates on a commission payout, live class registration success, paid plans, live interactive webinar registration success. All of these emails you can change into your own language and use your own wording. Please be aware and be careful about changing the dynamic text within these emails. For instance, if I was to change the welcome email text here, I would click welcome email and I will be brought up with the welcome email that is sent out to your users. Inside here, you could add your own logo and your own sign off, and you can change all of the language inside of here. Be careful about changing these blue or personalization blocks because they contain the name of the course URL, things like the student email, their user role, and of course reset password, your admin, and your student's name. These are dynamically generated from the data within Zenler itself. If you do accidentally delete one of the blocks, you can put this back by going to personalization and then choosing one of these options. Let's choose the student's name. And of course the same applies for this area as well. If you delete this out, you can put this back in by using personalization inside of there. You can also go down here and send a test email to yourself just to see that it looks good. Once you've made any text changes within here to your language or your wording, make sure that you hit save. Once you hit save, this will be closed and you can move on to the next email. If you are changing the language, or you're adding your branding, or you're changing the text, make sure that you go through all of these individually and update them to your specific needs. This is changing the system emails within Zenler.